He's gonna get more.
He's made like 50 holes, he just doesn't get that he has to put his beak in the hole. He's just like, what the fuck's going on?
Let's get this on food.
What is these fucking biscuits? Oh shit, there's more.
Fucking get your biscuits, mate, and get out of here.
He takes them and chasing him. He didn't soil one of them and I want it.
They're all still good.
There's some bird beaks all over them. Stop it. Idiot.
Get out of here with them.
Idiot bird. I'm gonna have a fight. Fucking hell.
Go get him. Go get him and throw one to them.
No, because he's gonna get chased off.
No, he's not. We'll do it in here.
He'll be scared. I'll go out, get it. No,
More birds are coming.
just wait. I want to see what he does when the bird comes. I know, he's such an idiot. Oh!
He's chasing away.
It's too funny watching